Hello guys, it's Amanda back with another video. I hope everyone is having a happy Sunday. Happy Sunday, and I hope everyone is enjoying their weekend. Like I said, and as I promised, I will be back to open up the second batch of payments that I received from Impact Mailing Club while I was on vacation. I didn't open up everything, but yesterday I did a video also where I opened up payments that came in through the mail, and I wanted to just finish up today. And I want to say thank you to everyone who has joined the opportunity. I look forward to working with you. And direct mail marketing this is a great season to get started and start to have those consistent payments coming in from people that are joining your team. I will be doing a video next week. I'm going to be sending out my first batch of 5,000 flyers in the mail, and I will be showing you guys that information live, what I send out, how much of it I send out, and etc. So we have a payment that came in. This is the envelope I just took it out of here. Okay, let's see what we have. Guys, bear with me if I'm moving a little slow today. Hey, Ashley, thanks so much for joining me. Unfortunately, the names is not coming up yet of the people who are watching. Sometimes that happens. You have here a payment. Oh, there we go. It's kind of blurry. Someone joined here at the okay, this is a pass up from a teammate. So someone made a sale on my team and I received a $100 payment from Victor. Thanks so much for joining. Glad to have you a part of the team. And also 2 books of stamps. Victor, thanks so much for joining. What you're going to get in the mail is going to look like this. It's just a form that they fill out, and it just basically tells what level they came in at, who's their sponsor, and it gives you their name, email, and a phone number. Okay. Okay, here's a payment from this came in from Nadia. Just opening up yours, Nadia, today. Let's see here what we have. And Nadia, she came in at the Sapphire level. That is a $500 level. Thanks so much for joining. You get $300 payouts at that level. So this is the sweet spot. Here's $300 from Nadia. Thanks so much for joining. And then I also have here 3 books of stamps. Thanks so much for joining, Nadia. Glad to have you a part of the team. Okay, and then we have Miss Robin here who joined. I'm just opening this up. Gosh, I hope everybody can hear me because it's loading. It's loading on my end. Oh, there we go. Hey, Annie. Hey, Jason. Chemo, thanks so much for joining me. Hey, Lenore. Yeah, I can see everybody finally. A whole 4 minutes later. Okay, I'm going to open this up. So this person joined in at the Emerald level. Robin, glad to have you a part of the team. Hey, Joan, thanks for tuning in. Hey, Martin. Alex, thanks so much for tuning in. Yes, guys, don't forget, webinar is this Tuesday. The webinar is for free. Someone said, do I have to pay? It's a free webinar where we're going to just give you information about the program. And not only that, we have a special guest that just joined and has already made over $1,000, brand new to the program. She's sending out mailings, and she's having a lot of fun with this program. Okay, so here it goes, $65. Somebody joined me at the Ruby level, And I also received 1 book of stamps. Thanks so much for joining. Glad to have you a part of the team, Robin. Okay, we got another one from Lysandria. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. Hi, Asante. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, Barbara. And guys, some people ask me if I got their payments yet. If I didn't call your name, the payments probably came in over the weekend, and I'll be picking that up tomorrow, okay? So if I did not call your name, they probably came in on Saturday, and I don't go to the post office on Saturdays, okay? So here we have a payment. And it came in this. And this person came in at the blue level. That's a $150 payment, okay? And that also is a total of 2 books of stamps. Thanks so much for joining. Glad to have you a part of the team. We have a payment here from Pauline. Pauline joined us. Thanks so much for joining the team. Also, don't forget, when you sign up, you'll get your leads in the mail on peel and stick labels. I will be making everyone their own customized cover letter. If you send me your information, guys, you will get your cover letter today. I think I have 3 left to do today. I get them to you pretty fast, so it's not going to take. It's not a long process. And then you can, for a low cost, you can get a website for your cover letter. If you are coming from Six Figure Stamp Club, just let me know, and I'll get that to you for a discounted rate. Okay. Pauline joined at the. Let's see here. Okay, she joined at the Sapphire level, which is $300. It allows you to get unlimited $300 payments. So I received that, and here's the stamps, guys. This is a total of 2 books of stamps. Pauline, thanks so much for joining the team. We're glad to have you with us. Okay, and here I have another one. I'm going to open this up. Hey, Eric. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, John. Hey, Orlando. Jason, it's not like the Six Figure Stamp Club. Way better customer service, way better support. Their welcome kits are much better. Their leads are high quality. If you get any leads returned, they'll replace the leads. But all of their leads that they send to you, they are high quality leads. You're not going to get a lot of returns. And on top of that, you're going to get prospects that are actually signing up, which is really good. And their leads are extremely affordable. So I was looking at the price yesterday on the leads when you become a member, and they're extremely inexpensive. And I love that too, because I like to send out 1,000 leads at a time. I recommend everyone send out at least 1,000 leads within your first 60 to 90 days. And then just stay consistent. Make sure your flyer goes out with your cover letter. You will have people join you, and you will have people reaching out to you. That's a fact. Okay, so this came in from Casey. Casey, thanks so much for joining. Casey came in at the Sapphire level. And here is 2 books of stamps and a total of $300. The Sapphire spot is a sweet spot, I call it. When you join at the Sapphire level, you're going to get a total of 400 peel and stick leads. And then I always tell people, if you need to, you can always order more leads if you need to. Okay. Here we have another mailing that came in. Okay. And I'm going to also, by the end of this week, I'm going to do a whiteboard presentation, and I'm going to really break down exactly what I do to earn consistently with this program. Online, I'm going to do 1 video for online, and I'm going to do 1 video for offline. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, because if you're subscribed, you're going to get the information on, you're going to be able to get watch the video that I put out, and it's going to be a step-by-step of what I actually do to earn consistently. The first video, I'm going to just talk about offline marketing and exactly what you need to do and what your cover letter needs to look like. And then I'm going to do a how many mailings you need to send, where I get my stuff from, and how that's important to stay at a reasonable budget. And then I am going to do a video on what I do to market online that you can do, that anybody can do. It's really easy. So this came from Regina. Regina, thanks so much for joining. Regina came in at the Ruby level, okay? And that's $150 and 2 books of stamps. So thanks so much for joining, Regina. Guys, the webinar link will be in the comment section. Please register early because we only have a total of 100 participants for the webinar, okay? So register as early as you can, so Tuesday evening you'll have a seat, okay? And then last but not least, we have one from, let's see, who's this from? Here's a, okay. Okay, so this person came in at the Sapphire level from April. April, thanks so much for joining. And I received a total of $100. This was from my teammates. One of my teammates received the payment, and as that person's sponsor, I received $100. That's what you call leverage, guys, and 2 books of stamps. Hey, Martin. Hey, Stephanie. Thanks so much for tuning in. So that came from someone on my team that actually received the payout. And that's what we love. We love leverage. You want to make money from your efforts, but when you're able to make money from your team efforts as well, that just makes it much more interesting, and it allows you to make money faster, okay? So here we have all of my stamps for today. Got a ton of those. And guys, we want the stamps to come in because that allows you to spend less money on stamps when you're sending out your mailings, right? And that helps too, because the most expensive cost is going to be for your stamps. The leads are not that expensive. To make the copies is very inexpensive, and the envelopes are not expensive. It's the stamps. So we want those stamps to come in so that we're able to, these are the payments from today, guys. These are all today's payments that I opened up today, okay? So again, if you want more information, you can inbox me. I'll send you information. If you want to just take a look, okay? You can take a look and make a decision on if this is something you want to do. I started direct mail marketing in 2016. It has changed my life. It has allowed me to earn a full-time income and not have to go back to a daytime job. And that's why I love it. When you incorporate it, or if you incorporate it with online marketing, it just makes it that much more fun. You get that many more payments. It's exciting. Okay. So I just want to say thank you to everyone who tuned in today. Hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend, and make sure to sign up for Tuesday's webinar. You are going to be excited when you see the information that we're going to have. Special guest. She's going to come out and talk about how she's earning consistently, what she did to start, how her journey was, the do's and the don'ts, and hearing it from somebody else just make it that more real. So you don't have to think, well, it's just me that's earning. There's other people that are earning as well. And there's going to be way more people that's going to start earning, because this is the season. A lot of people are looking for a home business opportunity. A lot of the kids are going back to school. So people are going to be out there looking, and you want to be there when they're ready to pull the trigger. Okay. So enjoy your weekend, guys, and I'll see you next week.